day everyone, this is our first home assistant project. In this project, we use an exhaust fan, an LED bulbs and ESP32 for control our project, a breadboard for connect to the wires. Furthermore, switches, a buzzer for security system and ESP12A module to control another system and a DC relay module to control the fan. We also use a Raspberry Pi 4 as the central server to manage and connect all the components of the system. So, this is our Raspberry Pi 4 board. Additionally, we include the level shifter to convert the 3.3 volt signal to 5 volt, ensuring proper communication with the relay module and enabling the fan to operate correctly. These components form the first stage of our basic system design, providing the foundation for our home assistant project.
This is the ground floor of our smart home. This includes the living room and kitchen area, which are controlled using an ESPHome Assistant. In the living room, we have installed a bulb that can be controlled remotely using Home Assistant. The light can be turned on and off remotely, and it can also be controlled manually using a physical switch. In addition, the brightness of the bulb can be adjusted remotely through the application. Next, in the kitchen area, we have connected an exhaust fan that can also be controlled remotely. A temperature sensor is used to monitor the room temperature continuously. When the temperature rises above 35 degrees Celsius, the exhaust fan automatically turns on to maintain proper ventilation. So, this is all about the ground floor. Now let's move on to the next section of the project.
This is the first floor of our smart home automation system. In the living room, there's a smart bulb. This bulb can be controlled manually using a physical switch. In addition, users can remotely turn bulb on and off using their mobile phone. The brightness of the bulb can also be adjusted through the mobile application according to the user's preference. Next, we have the first floor bedroom. This room also contains a smart bulb. Similar to the living room, the bulb can be switched on and off remotely through the mobile application. The brightness level also can be controlled from the user's mobile phone. For the security system, a red LED is installed in the other bedroom. When someone approaches the main entrance of the house, the red LED starts blinking as a warning signal. At the same time, a buzzer located on the first floor is activated to alert the occupants. As a future enhancement, we plan to send a notification message directly to the user's mobile phone instead of relying only on the red LED and a buzzer alerts.
We placed the ultrasonic sensor at the smart door system because we can mention the two separated alarm areas, the light alarm area and the buzzer alarm area, that is situated in the 10 centimeters apart, the light alarm area, and the 2 centimeters apart for the buzzer alarm area. The light blinking the 2 seconds, that is located in the first floor. At the another room, we place that has a balcony because we can touch with that emergency access to our garden area. Then our buzzer is replaced in the staircase because the homies and the living areas at the home peoples and home members in the living area and the other home is informed that the another emergency motion is detected for the buzzer. That is our smart security system. This is the smart security system. We placed that the camera detected the areas. Some persons come in front of the door. It detects who will come to visit that the areas, the home grounds. Then we can get these features, key features, and 24/7 motion detections. When real-time alerts we can gain, remote viewing from anywhere. Then we think to update these key features in future days.
In our smart home automation project, we implemented the smart door system using an ESP32, a micro servo and home assistant. The main purpose of this system is to automatically open and close the door electronically. This door can be controlled through Home Assistant using ESPHome integration. The ESP32 is connected to Wi-Fi, so the door can be monitored and controlled from the Home Assistant dashboard. Here, a separate push button was placed to manually turn the security system on or off when needed. We also used a push button to control the door manually. When the button is pressed, the ESP32 detects the input signal and sends a PWM signal to the servo motor. Then the servo rotates to a specific angle to open the door. After a short delay, the servo returns its original position to close the door automatically. These windows also can be further improved by using additional micro servos to automate window control as well. This smart door system improves convenience, automation, and smart access control within the home automation project.
Finally, I would like to introduce our smart gate system project. This is our gate system model and it is designed as a small smart home prototype. In this project, we use a servo motor to open and close the gate. This is the servo motor we used and it is control the movement of the gate smoothly. First, we can control the gate manually using this manual switch. When we press the switch, the gate opens. When we press it again, the gate closes. The manual control is very useful when we need to operate the gate directly. Next, we can control this gate using the smart home assistant dashboard. So, we can open and close the gate remotely. It can also control in using the mobile phone. So, even when we are away from the gate, we can operate it easily. Therefore, this project gives both manual control and smart control.
This is our EES Mini Challenge first project. We developed it as a home assistant system with the aim of creating a simple and efficient smart home solution. The project was carried out in several main stages. In this project, we focused on making the home easier to use and more secure. Different parts of the system were developed to perform different tasks. A part of the system, we designed and implemented a smart lighting system for indoor automation, a smart security system for outdoor monitoring and protection, a smart door system, and a smart gate system. So, thank you for your watching.